Yeah, so I will let you to decide if I've had a shit day or a good day, mate. Cause it's no point for me to keep complaining and crying and all these fucking things.
Yeah, so I've been in so tight situation, you know, that it's really nice to have a record to show you guys. Sometimes you got a very hard situation to go through, so just in order to understand the life of a lorry driver, sometimes even if I work on class 2, it can be challenging, doesn't matter on your experience. So never think that you're the best. Every time think that you need to acquire more information, more experience. Every time be the guy who says like, I'm not the best. If you're that person, then you'll become even more confident with more experience, you know. Far away, 1.5 miles away. It's a fucking cable. Camera ahead. Watch out rope. Watch out for your speed rope. At the same time, plug this fucking. But now 1.3 miles, 4 minutes away. That's the road. I think. Been some driving anyway, so I had that hour driving and another hour and 37 minutes, so 2 hours and 37 minutes. There's still something to drive. So Market Street, looking for a number just to see on which side is 731, so it's 7577, so on the right hand side further down. Nice, very nice. You see, people, they do cleaning. It's different. People from here are very different in a very good way. Very friendly. Good guys. Just let the space just for my delivery. I think so. We'll bring the pallet here. Yeah, sorry love, that's for you.
Thank you.
Cheers. I don't know if she wants on the back. Yeah, sorry mate, 2 minutes only. Amy, thank you. Where do you want the pallet, love? Here? Or
Can you put it at this side?
Yeah,
You're not
yeah.
there, where? Is that alright?
no problem.
Okay.
Here?
Going back, yeah? Yeah, just there. It'll be alright there. I'll shut it out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Easy returns.
no problem.
Another one of these.
Thank you very much.
I think you got it, yeah?
Yes. Yeah. Thank you.
Cheers. Do you need
Cheers.
to get signed?
Yes, please, if you don't mind. Thank you. Okay. Yeah.
I think I've signed the wrong one.
Yeah. Thank you.
Am I meant to sign this one? I've signed your copy. Am I?
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, is that
so
right?
one
Do you
for
want me to
me,
do that one as well?
one for me, one
There's
for
two
you.
different ones. That's Hills SD Cat and Best Pets
Yeah.
Pretty Rabbit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Do you want me to sign this
No
one as
problem.
well?
Yes, please. Alright. I just been to your colleagues.